All right, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a pretty cool video because in the last unboxing video I unboxed this thing. We have Skelly half spiral bronze wrapped, but like I mentioned in the last unboxing, I have two of these. So in this video we're going to be combining these two into one, and here we go. Such a thin wrapped. The patina on this thing's got to set in, but yeah, this thing is set in already. So this side is hybrid, and then this side is just full wheat magnets. So yeah, actually before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Just fully take everything apart, just step by step. All right, so I'm gonna take this part out first. Take off the inserts, magnets, all that. Wrapped. All right. Same with this thing. Screw here. Plates here. Inserts here. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and take out this part. Wow, these are pretty well in there. All right, plates there. Shit. You just want to check. No way. Oh my God. Look at that.